Hi everyone, welcome to JoJo and Uni's site. This is a reading course that is a 10-hour course on Moodle for college student, intermediate EFL learners in Vietnam and China to improve their reading comprehension through the mastery of annotation. So in this course we have 5 modules. I'm in charge of module 1, 2, 3 and JoJo will talk about module 4 and 5. First of all, we will talk a little bit about the general inner course. It's an announcement. So in the announcement, we put a welcome letter. Then we let the student know that rubric for discussion board and annotation assignment will be included and uploaded in the class material folder. Well, we don't want to upload the rubric for annotation and discussion board again and again because the assignment is throughout the course. The student can download the syllabus here. If they have a question and answer about the course assignment, they can post their questions here and get the answer from me and the other student as well. Before they start doing anything, we would like them to introduce themselves, so they will have to reply this post. So go to module 1, they will have to watch a video on YouTube. So this is the video. And then they will have to complete the discussion board. Questions and the detailed instruction is here. Then they will have to download the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to get ready for the annotation. And then they will have to watch another video, actually both video on YouTube about annotation on a PDF file. After that, they will watch their slides on Prezi. We make this slide and here's what students have to watch. Okay. Well, so that's a lot of things for students to watch and see in module 1 because they will have to get familiar with what they are going to do and the definition or annotation. Anyway, at the end they will have to do an annotation. That's a very first practice experience. This is the instruction for the first assignment. They will download the article here, see the slides, follow the instruction, and then complete this. That's the end of module 1. Now move to module 3, 2 is the same. They will also have to see the link, do the discussion board, and do the annotation. The same with module 4, that's the annotation, discussion board, and well, this is the self-selected article. They will have to submit an article that they choose by themselves. And JoJo will talk about module 4 and 5.